I hope you enjoyed the first lesson about the history of recording sound. In this second lesson I want to take away some strange ideas that you might have about how a studio should look like and work. Let's look at some myths there are about the home studio. Some professionals say that home recording is only for creating demos. A serious recording can only be done in a big and expensive studio. That's not true anymore. Nowadays, the hardware that is used is not the limit. You might have seen the last video of the previous lesson, where Lionel Richie and Shania Twain were recording in a bedroom. That's the way it can be done, also by you. A good song is a combination of good hardware, a great arrangement, some wonderful musicians, and great sounding instruments. And this good song can be produced at your home, in your bedroom. You don't need to buy a huge, say like 96 track mixer and enormous 500 watt speakers like you see in big studios to create and mix great music. Sure, it looks good on pictures, you and this big mixer, but it will certainly not improve your sound. And you know what? You can even start without a mixer. Nowadays there's so many fantastic hardware on the market, specially made for the home studio or project studio, and the prices keep dropping to very affordable for good gear. So don't buy too big. You better start small and grow whenever you start making your first money. The same goes for microphones. Sure, you can spend over $2,000 or $3,000 for a great microphone made in Berlin, but there are many mics for sale that give a fantastic result for a fraction of this price. Some manufacturers already come very close to creating a perfect sounding mic. I can tell you, most of my recordings are done with a microphone that only costs €130. And these recordings really sound great. Also here, you'd better start with a couple of cheap but good mics and learn all the ins and outs of these mics. If you do your recording and mixing well, nobody will hear the difference. Having your own recording studio should not be expensive. It should be fun. And don't let anybody tell you it can't be done. Just follow your dream. Who knows where it will take you? And I assure you it will be fun, already from the start. Searching for the right hardware that suits your needs, setting things up at home and selecting the software to record and mix all your great musical ideas. That's where the fun and your inspiration starts, by setting up your own recording studio. Well, that's all for this lesson. In the next lesson I will explain about the old digital studio and its advantages. See you there!